do this in one take. Here we go. 3, 2. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Guys, we have reached 30,000 subscribers, followers on YouTube a couple of weeks ago actually, and I've been meaning to get this video out. Like, this giveaway has been on my mind for the last few weeks, and I just thought tonight is the best night to do it because we have got hold of some of the most epic ropes for you, and I just want to give as much as I can away. We're looking for 3 to 5 winners, and yeah, listen, I'm so appreciative, I'm so humble. I'm just blessed every single day to do what I do, to be able to kind of try and provide as much value for an incredible community which is growing day by day. And I get to see your videos on Instagram, I get to see your growth, your development, your progress, and it means the world to me. So I'm just gonna try and do what I can to just help you grow even more and to give you as much experience and knowledge and tips as I can via this channel. So listen, I don't wanna kind of go on too much and too long. You guys know how grateful I am. And I'm gonna just try and do as much as I can going forward. So listen, this is what the giveaway is all about. What you're gonna do is gonna enter. You've only got one entry, one comment, one shot, guys. Do not let me down. Do not try and come with 3, 4, 5 different types of entries because you're only gonna have one chance right now. This is what you're gonna win. You're gonna win the up and coming Lava Money Rope, the black and orange new colorway. December the 1st, this officially launches. So if you enter now, you'll be one of the first on the planet to be using this, along with the ice blue and black money rope. This will be yours if you enter. And last but not least, the legendary ghost rope, the limited edition all white colorway. This will never be back, guys. Once it's gone, it is gone. So 3 ropes are yours, and all you need to do is watch the clip that's about to come up. It's 1 minute and 20 seconds long. It's an epic clip in my mind, where I'm using this Lava new orange and black light speed rope. It looks absolutely epic. And all you need to do is count the amount of times the rope passes underneath my feet. Do not count side swings, it needs to pass underneath my feet. That is 1 revolution. It's really difficult, so I'm going to give you 3 options, A, B or C. Right, option A is 101 revolutions. Option B or 2, anyway, is 109 revolutions. And option C is 115. So 101, 109, 115. You've only got one shot, guys, one entry. Comment down below and please make sure you let me know where you're from, your country, your city, because I always love to know where these bad boys are going to head out, and just know where my crew is growing. I just love it. So please give as much information as you can, but just A, B or C, as simple as that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this clip. I forgot to even mention, I'm using even like the most epic kind of concept that we've got running in the background. I haven't even mentioned this to you, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this new Rush mask concept, which is our new elevation mask concept, which is going to, oh my god, the experience of this when you work out, when you skip, when you do anything, any kind of workout, it is just going to make you feel incredible, godlike, and yeah, it's definitely going to keep you on that beast mode flex like as soon as you finish that workout. So that's kind of coming up. There's more news to come on that. We're trying to bring that launch forward and make sure that you guys can get that before the end of the year. So listen, guys, without further ado, I want to again thank you so much for being so incredible and helping me just fulfill these incredible dreams that I have right now. And yeah, I love this. I love the fact that we're sharing this vision together. So without further ado, guys, good luck, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Let's do this. Peace.
What's up YouTube family, the Jump Rope Coach here. Just want to say a massive thanks for helping me build this community with you all. You guys are absolutely incredible. Your support is my oxygen, and all I want to do is create more and more value for you all. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all the latest tutorials and workouts coming your way. So without further ado guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.